A curious little boy named Ethan with bright eyes, standing in a cozy living room, gazing at a beautiful blue vase on a high shelf. Ethan carefully climbing onto a wooden chair, stretching his hand toward the blue vase. The blue vase wobbling dangerously on the edge of the shelf, tilting forward as Ethan watches in shock. The vase crashing to the floor, shattering into tiny pieces. Ethan stands beside the chair, eyes wide with fear, hands covering his mouth in shock. Ethan standing alone in the living room, looking down at the broken pieces of the vase. His expression shows worry and deep thought as he contemplates what to do. Ethan walking towards the kitchen, looking nervous but determined. His mother, wearing an apron, is baking cookies with a warm and gentle smile. Ethan confessing to his mother, looking guilty but honest. His mother listens with a calm and understanding expression. Ethan's mother smiling gently as she reassures him. She places a comforting hand on his shoulder, showing warmth and love. Ethan and his mother working together to clean up the broken vase pieces, both smiling. Ethan hugging his mother, feeling relieved and happy. His mother's words about honesty echo in his mind as they share a warm embrace. Moral: honesty is always the best choice, even when it's hard. Thanks for watching.